Okay, so I'm going to show you how to write a repeating decimal as a fraction, which proves that it is a rational number, that it is rational. All right, so if you have 0.4 repeating, that's 0.444. So that's 0.4 plus 0.04 plus 0.004, and on forever. So I'm getting a geometric series, where the first term, I'm using this formula, a sub 1 over 1 minus r. It's an infinite geometric series. All right, so my first term is 0.4. My ratio to make it move by one decimal place over every time is 0.1. So I get 0.4 over 0.9, so I get 4/9. If you divide that in your calculator, you'll get 0.4 repeating. So we learn pretty quickly 0.2 repeating. You don't have to go through all of the formula. You could just say it's 2/9. Like you have 0.2 is 2 over 10. If it repeats, it's 2 over 9. All right, so let's look if we have 0.34 repeating. That's going to be 0.34 plus 0.0034 plus 0.00034 ... My first term is 0.34. My ratio to make it move two decimal places every time is 0.01. That gives me 0.34 over 0.99, which gives me 34 over 99. And if you divide that, you'll get 0.34 repeating. So to think about it, you have 0.34 is 34/100ths. 0.34 repeating is 34/99. So it's pretty easy to learn from the formula how to do it quickly. So what do you think 0.125 repeating is? It would be 125 over 999. That would make 3 decimal places repeat. What if we have like a mixed one, if we have like 4.623 and just the 23 is repeating? All right, I'm going to hold the 4.6 off, which is 4 6/10. And then I'm going to deal with just this part. So I have 4.6 plus 0.023. 4.6 plus 0.023, 0.00023, 0.00023 forever. That'll give me 4.6, and then the 2 3s are going to repeat. All right, so what I'm going to do is I already have 4.6 written right here. And I'm going to figure out what this is doing as I keep going 0.00023. So the sum of this part, my first term is 0.023. But my ratio, I'm just moving it 2 decimal places, is 1/100th or 0.01. So I get 0.023 over 0.99, sorry, 0.99. And then when I move this 3 decimal places, I get 23 over 990. And so I have 23 over 990. Then I'm going to need a common denominator to turn this into one big fraction. I checked to see if that would reduce, and it doesn't. Here I'm going to multiply 6 by 99. I think it's 594. I have this 23 and 4 over 1, so 990 times 4 is, I guess, 3960. And if I add all that up, I have 3960, 594, and 23. So 4,577 over 990. So let's try that. 4,977 divided by 990. I forgot what the number was, sorry. 4577. 4577 divided by 990. So you get 4.623232323. So now let's see if we have a pattern that could cut down on this whole page of work. Notice that when I wanted 23 to repeat, I did have a 99 on the bottom. But when I moved my decimal over, I held a place for that. So what I'm saying is, if you have something like 5.28127 and you want the 127 to repeat, the quick way to do it is say 5 plus 28 100ths, because that just stops. This will be 127 over 999, but that would make 0.127127. I want to scoot it over 2 places, so I'll put 2 zeros. Now I'm actually going to work this one out for you. You could add it all up on your calculator, but let's see. This should be divisible by 3. No, it's not. So I have 99900 of 127. I'm going to multiply this 100 by 999, so I need to multiply, get a common denominator, 28 by 999. Alright, so I get 2792. So this is 2792. I think it was bigger than that, wasn't it? 27972. 27972. And then 5 times 99,900. So 5 times 99900 is 499,500. 499,500. So I'm going to add all of this up. So let's see if I can see these numbers. So I have plus 27972 plus the 127. Okay, and then if I divide that by 99900, you get 5.28, 127, 127, 127, which is what we were looking for. So our next to final answer here would be, let's see, what was the result? 527,599. 527 599 over 999, 99,900. If you want a quick way to reduce this, you could put it in your calculator, change it into a decimal, and then go back to math fraction. I don't know if that one will reduce or not.